In this video, I will show you how to change the internal batteries in this Chrysler Sebring key fob. This key fob takes two CR2016 batteries. You can do this whole process yourself at home. You don't need to pay anyone to do it. Very simple. Just get yourself two of these batteries. If you want to pick them up online, I have put a link down in the description so you can get them on Amazon for just a couple bucks. And just go ahead and follow along. Right here on the side of the key fob, there is a slot that we will insert a flathead screwdriver into and just turn like a key to start to separate the two halves of the key fob. Just pull it apart with your fingers, or if you're having trouble, you can work your way down through that opening, twisting until it becomes very easy to open. Now what we have is we have two batteries stacked on top of each other. It can be a little bit tricky to remove. You can take your flathead screwdriver and pull it out. I'm going to use my fingernails. I think it's just a little bit easier. You can see two batteries there. I'm just going to get under one of them and just lift it up and continue until it comes free like that. And with this one, it sits down a little bit deeper. I like to push on one side so that this edge comes up, and then take your tool, get under it and lift, or again, just fingernail, push down on one side, lift up, and it'll fall right out. Take two new CR2016 batteries. Make sure this positive side goes face up, just like this. The other one, also positive side up, right on top. They both just click into place super easily. And all that's left is to click these two halves back together and you're done. If you found this helpful, feel free to give us a like, or go ahead and leave a comment. And for more information on changing batteries for any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.